what's up everyone, it's Xrath here, and if your OBS screen right here is black, will not record anything else, maybe a game if you tried it, then you definitely came to the right video, because today I'm going to show you exactly how to fix that problem. First thing is what I did how to figure it out is hit my head against a wall multiple times until I figured it out. No, I researched the issue and it was pretty standard once I figured it out, but it was digging into OBS problems that don't typically happen or just are now starting to come out. So what I did was, if you have a video graphics card, which most people that game will, you may have some else. It could be better, it could be worse, I don't know. Now, again, everyone's computer is different, but if you have a graphics card that has a little control panel, then it will work perfectly for you. Now, what you do is, I'm already here, you go to Program Settings, you'll start off here, go to Program Settings, click this, and basically all you do is find your OBS software, 64-bit, make sure it's the right one you are clicking so you don't mess up one of your games, because I've done it on multiple occasions. Click, and all you do is, this is what it'll be set on right there, and it won't record anything like that. So you gotta go to Integrate, English is broken, Graphics, and then you hit Apply, and once you open up your OBS again, it works. I mean, there's nothing else I can really point out there. Now, the other things I would like to show in this video, I mean, stuff I probably haven't shown in a while is just probably the filters and stuff. I have a couple like noise gates and stuff on. If you guys are just experiencing like some problems, if your voice sounding like awful or something, mine always sounds awful, I'm sorry, I can't fix that, I'm just terrible. But if yours is having like, you hear stuff in the background, just go in here, set up yourself a little noise gate. I try to always put just a little bit of audio at the end of all my how-to videos on OBS, just because it's an extremely common problem and it's really easy to fix. It's just kind of hidden away without having to make like 6 sources and stuff. But I hope you guys really enjoy this. I try to keep my videos very short and to the point. I thank you guys for watching this video. This has been Xrath. Please like and subscribe, and peace.